Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malik Hamza, and today we're diving into something truly magical: how to turn your text into stunning AI-generated videos. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Nowadays, creating professional videos is easier than ever, thanks to the power of AI. No more complicated software or expensive equipment, just your ideas, a bit of text, and the right tools. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create a video from text using AI platforms like viedios and Runway. I'll give you practical examples so you can see how it all works. And the best part, you don't need any prior experience to get started. Let's begin with viedios, a user-friendly platform perfect for beginners. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll see a range of templates you can choose from. But for today's video, we'll start with a blank canvas to show how you can build something from scratch. First, choose a template. I'll go ahead and select a blank template for this example. Next, add your script. Now, I'll paste a simple script into the text box. Let's say, "Welcome to the world of AI video creation." Once pasted, viedios will suggest various ways to animate this text. Then, customize your video. You can add images, video clips, and animations that match your script. viedios has a vast library, but you can also upload your own visuals. Finally, preview and edit. Once you've added all your elements, you can preview the video. You can then make any final adjustments before exporting. Next up is Runway, a powerful AI tool that's great for more advanced users. What sets Runway apart is its ability to generate visuals based on your text prompts. This is particularly useful for creating unique and dynamic video content. First, sign up and start a new project. After logging in, you'll want to create a new project. Next, input text prompts. Runway allows you to input descriptive text, which it then transforms into video segments. For instance, typing "a futuristic cityscape at sunset" could generate a stunning visual sequence of a city during sunset. Then, enhance your video. Once Runway generates the visuals, you can add effects, transitions, and even audio narration. Finally, export your video. After everything is set, simply export your video, and it's ready to be shared. Once you've created your video, there are a few final touches you might want to consider. First, add voiceover. You can use AI-generated voices or record your own for a more personal touch. Next, optimize for social media platforms like viedios, allow you to resize your video for different social media platforms, ensuring that your content looks perfect whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Finally, final edits. Make sure to watch your video from start to finish, checking for any small errors or adjustments that could improve the final product. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to turn your text into engaging video content using AI tools like viedios and Runway. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to see the amazing videos you'll create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.